You blow that fucking horn again, I swear to God, I will ram that fucking thing up your goddamn ass!
2 restrained logs and win a free hat. Well, that's a no-brainer.
Come on, you fat fuck. Do it. $3.74. Do something to me. I love you. I want to take you away from all of this.
Like it's the radiator.
Wow, Brian identifies another problem without a solution. Let's see if I can walk home before he shuts up.
Jeez, Chris, what's your problem?
I wanted a ferret! Those bus drivers that parents don't completely trust. You have a beautiful child, Mrs. Roberts.